Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching Daily Financial Calendar on Insta TV. At the end of the current week, markets will monitor releases of the following macroeconomic events. On Thursday, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand is going to unveil its decision on official cash rate for April. Markets expect it will be neutral to keep the rate at 3.5%. At the previous meeting, the New Zealand regulator left the official cash rate unchanged. The central bank pointed out that such a decision was mainly because of the fact that falling oil prices help restrain the inflation. Besides, the RBNZ announced that the benchmark rate will probably stay on hold during some time as long-term inflation expectations stay within the targeted range of 1 to 3%. RBNZ Governor Graham Wheeler said that the main goal of the bank is to keep interest steady for foreseeable future. Nevertheless, the corrections will directly depend on the upcoming economic data. On Thursday, the official call rate decision will be also disclosed in Japan. The same range of 0 to 0.1% is forecasted. A month earlier, the monetary policy of Japan's regulator was left unchanged, despite curbing inflation and signs of economic weakening. During the speech on the 19th of April, the Bank of Japan governor said that core inflation dynamic improved considerably. However, most economists ignored the important fact that anemic inflation momentum threatens to weaken inflation expectations, thus causing the necessity to boost monetary stimulus. Most likely, the central bank will widen its government bond purchase program. However, some members of the policy board expressed their worries that massive money issue may trigger a financial bubble. That is why they asked the Bank of Japan to cut the asset purchase program. Besides, on Friday, the United States is going to publish its report on the ISM manufacturing PMI. Analysts predict a rise to 52.1 points. In March, growth rates of business activity in the U.S. manufacturing sector slowed down to a 14-month low. The manufacturing PMI calculated by the ISM contracted to 51.5 from 52.9 in February. Economists anticipated the score 52.5 in the given period. Activity in the U.S. manufacturing sector shows weakening since August of 2014. The prints still remain higher than the level of 50 that separates decline from growth, but the index is getting closer to this level. Moreover, at the end of the week, the following data will be revealed. On Thursday, Germany will release its reports on retail sales and unemployment level. In Canada, the economic growth statistics will be provided. The US will report on the unemployment claims. The Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Paulus will make a speech. On Friday, Japan will provide its CPI data and China the manufacturing activity data. The PPI report will see the light of day in Australia and the manufacturing PMI statistics in the United Kingdom. And this concludes the calendar of the latest economic events prepared for you by our Insta TV team. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.